Hi everybody. Guess what this is? It's my last Amazon box for the bus. It's got the last few things in it. You want to go see what's in here with me? Let's open this up. I've lost this knife for about a month and a half now, and couldn't find it anywhere, and just about ready to give up. I came in and lifted up this rag, and it was underneath this rag right here. That's just crazy. Okay, the first thing I have here is a toilet paper holder for the bathroom. I wanted a waterproof one in case the shower happened to have hit it, and there it is. That's cool. It's a little industrial looking, but what the heck. Okay, see what else I have in here. Oh, okay. Let's open this up here. This is a 2-pack of hangers I was going to put on the back of the door. The bathroom door. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there. They got little mesh pockets in them. Let's pull one out and look at it. There's some over-the-door hangers. I don't think I'm going to use those. So there's this bigger one here. It's got pockets in it. Put all the toiletries and stuff in there. You know, extra little TP or 2 and showering stuff. Yeah. Maybe a shave kit or something like that, but there's not a lot of room in that bathroom, so I thought this hanging on the back of the door would be a good thing. No room for shelves or anything in there, anything protruding out from the walls, because you just barely got enough room in there to shower and get dried off. And here's a little 4-pack. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I'm sure I can find a use for this. I'll put it in the bus someplace. Okay, there should be one more thing in here. Looks like I have to put it together. This is a wire rack right here. This is for holding cans. It goes underneath the sink in there. It's just tall enough that it will fit underneath the plumbing, and I think it's just a good use of space. You don't have to put cans in it. You can probably put other things in there if you wanted to. But this is the last few things I'm going to put in the bus. And I think I'm going to be cleaning it up tomorrow. And we'll be doing the maybe a video on the walkthrough, the final walkthrough on it. And there's going to be a few little things I'm going to have to finish up, you know, by the time we get to the end of this thing. I'm still going to have to do underneath a couple cabinets with some oil finish, and I got some polish work to do on it, and a couple little bolts tightened here and there, just little things, but you know, that all can be done later. I'm not going to hold up this final video, and so we'll be seeing you pretty quick here. All right. Hey guys, I just wanted to have a little talk with everybody. We're kind of coming down to the end of this van build, and the final video, like I said, is going to be coming up next week, and I'll have it priced and everything ready to go, and I kind of just want to have a little talk with everybody. All my videos, I've done about 76 videos now. I had no idea it was going to go like this, and I have no editing skills. Not one of them was edited. Most I did was chop a little off the front or the beginning if I had a dumb look on my face or something, you know. Oh boy. I want to thank everybody that has commented and, talked to me, helped me along really. This has been, for the most part, a very, very positive experience for me. Got very few bad apples in the whole bunch, and I made a lot of friends. I feel like I have friends out there, and it's been very good for me. I've got 800 subs now. I never thought that would happen either, and that's not too bad for just cruising along here making these unedited kind of crude little videos for you guys. But in the process of all this, I hope somebody's got a little something out of it. I sure did. And from far as where do we go from here, I don't know. I don't have another bus to work on, so I'm kind of at a loss on what to do. So I don't know if I should just keep posting stuff or or just wait and get another bus and start posting again. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that. I've got a couple things in the works here. One of the things is I'm going to be putting this building here up for sale, and I'm going to be moving. But I'm still going to be building buses in the future, and so I just don't know where to take it from here. And that's just where we are. If I get some feedback from somebody, they want to see more of me, or should I just wait to get another bus? Or I know that people have been watching me for the bus videos, and I think I just kind of hit something of interest for everybody. And other than that, I probably wouldn't even be here. I just did it on a whim. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next video, okay? All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.